Turning now to the pandemic, the growing COVID variant threat amid a steep drop in cases and hospitalizations nationwide. There's now growing concern about states risking their progress by easing restrictions too soon. Today in Florida, a crowd of 30,000 gathering for the Daytona 500, the largest crowd for a sporting event since the start of the pandemic, in a state with the most reported cases of the highly contagious UK variant in the U.S. Dr. Anthony Fauci now with a new warning about the South Africa variant. Here's ABC's Trevor Ault.
Here they come.
Tonight, America's largest major sports crowd since the start of the pandemic. 30,000 fans in the stands for the Daytona 500. Officials still limiting attendance to a third, screening every person and requiring face coverings, but in several images, few people wearing them. Florida, home to the famous racetrack, now reporting more cases of the UK variant than any other state, which scientists say is likely more deadly. And tonight, Dr. Anthony Fauci with a stark warning about the South African variant.
In South Africa, there were people who got infected with the original virus, recovered, and then got reinfected with this new variant. Prior infection does not protect you against reinfection.
These variants are threatening to undo significant progress. This week's average national daily case total falling to 93,000, the lowest since early November. In New York City, reopened restaurants quickly filling to 25% capacity.
Everybody wants to go out. We've just been getting phone calls nonstop.
And despite warnings, several states now lifting mask mandates. The CDC director especially emphasizing masks for a safe return to school, saying teachers don't need to be vaccinated, but mitigation efforts have to be in place.
We are nowhere out of the woods. Now is the time to not let up our guard. Now is the time to double down.
This weekend, the U.S. passing 50 million vaccine doses administered, and demand is about to skyrocket. Tomorrow, New York is expanding eligibility to millions more people, including anyone with chronic health conditions. And seniors in Maryland are turning to Las Casa Vacunas, the vaccine hunters, a group of teachers volunteering to book shots for hundreds of strangers.
COVID is a deadly disease, and the sooner we can get these shots in our most vulnerable populations, the more safe our community will be for everyone.
The race to vaccinate continues, and Trevor Ault joins us now live from the Javits Center, a mass vaccination site here in New York. And Trevor, while the vaccines have shown to be highly effective, there are now new reports that a very small number of people have been vaccinated and have still gotten infected.
Oh, that's right, Lindsay. Oregon is reporting the first so-called breakthrough COVID cases for people who tested positive at least 2 weeks after becoming fully vaccinated. Health officials say there is a small chance of this happening, but even if you still become infected, the vaccine will help protect you from dying or becoming hospitalized. Lindsay?
That's right. The hope is that those cases are just not as severe. Trevor, our thanks to you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.